In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing a Hitch mounted cargo carrier. This cargo carrier comes with a metal platform, then with a 15 cubic feet waterproof bag, and it also comes with a packing cubes that you can place inside that bag. And I'm stoked because it's waterproof. If you get stuck in a little bit of rain, it's not a big deal. I'm going to unbox it, show you what's inside, how to assemble it, and if it's actually worth getting this thing. All right, let's get to the video. This thing is well packaged in. First half of the cage, some hardware, ratchet straps, more hardware, waterproof bag, instructions, and second half of the cage. Bam, let's see what's in here. Here you'll find a metal plate, some reflective stickers. Nice, 2 plates. That's how you're gonna stitch the basket together. All right, this is the locking hitch pin. This is nice of them with some rubber O-rings. All right, more bolts and nuts. 2-inch tubing. More 2-inch tubing. Nice and heavy duty. They have a nice little parts list. It's not too busy. It just tells you where it goes what. So pretty simple, I would say. All right, we're gonna have to flip this upside down. And these sections are identical. They're symmetrical, so you don't have to worry about where the front, where the back is. Then you're gonna throw this on here, like so. Dump all these bolts inside this box. So you'll find 3 medium-sized bolts. This is the super large one. You're gonna use that for the arm. So we'll put the bolts in, washer, locking washer, and a nut. I'm not gonna tighten anything down. First, you gotta put these plates on here. This way everything lines up nice and clean. So you put these bolts in. Washer and locking washer go together. All right, just finished putting this plate on. Let's put a plate on this side now. All right, I just hand tightened all the bolts. Press down on this. Make sure the cage is sitting tight against the tubing, and just tighten every single bolt. All right, I have just finished tightening these 4 bolts. Flip it upside down. Now we're gonna tighten these 3 bolts. You need a 14 millimeter and 17. Good and tight. All right, we just finished putting together the cage. It feels nice and solid. Now we're gonna put this 2-inch tube that's gonna go into the receiver of the hitch. And then this bolt goes into here. Just double check, yep, that's how it's gonna flip up and down. Don't over tighten it. Perfect, it's fully assembled together basically. Slide this retainer in. Slide it in. It says 500 pounds. I weigh 190 pounds. Feels solid. I actually would put stuff in there that I care about. So the coolest part, it comes with this locking pin. You put it on there, press this button, and your cargo is locked. So far, this setup looks perfect for the minivan, and I'm a big fan of a hitch mounted stuff. I used to have a roof mounted bike rack, cargo carriers, but it's so hard to get to them. All right, here's the bag. The actual bag has a bag for the bag, some instructions. It even has a little lock. Look at these straps and the lock. More bags, and more bags. Oh, this here is the waterproof bag. Wow, this does look waterproof for sure. That's what's up. So these here are the 4 packing cubes that go inside this bigger bag. So this here feels like a really good quality material. So yeah, you would set it in here. So instead of throwing everything in there, you have 4 packing cubes. Cube number 1, cube number 2, cube number 3, and cube number 4. Guess what? This cube is for me, this cube is for my wife, this cube is for my daughter, and this cube is for my son. Now I'm gonna pack all these cubes in with the stuff and show you how it looks all packaged in. We're about to actually go snowboarding with our entire family, so I'm gonna need to get a bunch of stuff in here. First cube, nice cozy blanket, snowboarding boots, and I guess a helmet. Now I know where's what. Second cube, another blanket for Airbnb, more snowboarding boots, and more helmets. Third cube, snowboarding pants, gloves, jacket, more pants, helmet. Man, I gotta come up with more stuff. This thing is spacious. More stuff, snowboarding pants, hoodie. We're going snowboarding for 3 days. You need to package this thing in. All right, fourth cube, more snowboarding jackets, more jackets. Zip this thing up. Honestly, I can throw more stuff in here. Zip this baby up, zip this baby up, zip this thing up. And you have this lock here. You can use it and you can put it on here. I guess it's for your safety and for peace of mind. All right, now that you zipped everything up, fold this down. This thing is watertight, it's sealed. All right, now you got these straps here, which is really nice. You would just fit it through the top. It has these little straps, they'll hold them in place. You take this, strap it through here, like so. All right, cinch it down. Same thing on this side. Man, there's so much space in here, it's insane. Clip it in, strap it down. Now your cargo is safe. Strap it down even more. Man, guys, so far I'm loving this thing. It's awesome. It's awesome for a minivan, but imagine if you have a sedan, you don't have a lot of space. This would be ideal. You can put so much stuff in there. Also, see how this thing rocks from side to side so much? That's why they provide this U-bolt and this clip. This way you can tighten it up over there at the hitch. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that and show you guys how to do that. Slide this over like so. You just wanna make sure it's pushing up against the hitch receiver. And that should make a huge difference actually. Tighten it down with a 16mm wrench. This is how you install it. Now that the hitch stabilizer is installed, it's more solid compared to what it used to be. All right, let's not forget these reflective stickers. They go on these little pieces of metal right over here. Nice. Just nice little finishing touch. Second one. Now you have 2 more. So I'm gonna put them on the sides. This way if you park at the parking lot, you're sticking out and cars are passing by, they can actually see. Right over here. One more thing I want to talk about, guys, are these ratchet straps. It might seem like an overkill, but imagine you going on the road at high rate of speed, like 70, 80 miles an hour, and you hit a bump. They're nothing fancy, but they're nice and solid looking. Yeah, if you do that, this will give you peace of mind, so you'll be driving without thinking, hey, am I gonna lose my load? Am I gonna lose my load or whatnot? I'm gonna have to throw this little lock on. Bam. Well, guys, so far, in my honest opinion, Mockins makes really nice hitch-mounted cargo carriers. Everything about this carrier is nice and clean and solid. Everything is well thought through. Whatever they advertise is what they actually make. This is their newest one, which is really nice, clean design. I love those little packing cubes. The coolest thing about those packing cubes, you come from the trip, take those packing cubes, and you throw them on your shelf in the garage. You can basically use those packing cubes as little storage things for your garage, which is super awesome. I hope you found this video helpful if you're shopping around for the hitch-mounted cargo carriers. May God bless you, and until next time.